Hi sunshines, welcome to the classroom decor part of this little mini series of me getting ready for my first year of teaching. Again, I am teaching 6th grade science and math, so if you want to see me decluttering my space, that is a whole separate video, but this is now the decorating part. So let me show you what I've done so far, and I will be filming this process as I go. So this is my whiteboard. So far I have FYI for information. I'm gonna have my math and science objectives here, and then I'm gonna have my schedule here. I'll just write my schedule out in expo markers, and I have this little hanging thing here, and that's about it. Didn't get too far in, just got started. Got my board done, a lot of it, put my LED lights up. They weren't quite long enough to go all the way around, and this little part right here is bugging the heck out of me, but I'm not gonna be like busted. I'll just let it go for now, or forever. There's nothing I can do unless I want to buy a longer one and strip them down, and it's not that serious, but really excited about my LED lights. So right now I am changing out the lab table signs. So these are the previous teachers, how she labeled the lab tables. It doesn't quite go with my aesthetic, so I am switching them out right now for signs that look like this. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So these don't quite cover them, so I'm actually cutting some black construction paper, putting that down first, and then putting this on top of the black construction paper, so none of the bright color is showing. So not only did I have labels for the side of the table, I also have labels or signs hanging. It looks like it's floating in midair, but there is a string attached to it. But lab table 1 correlates lab table 1. Where is it? Where is it? The lab table, no, oh, it's sideways. Lab table 2, lab table 2, but just to show you, I made these hole punching them here. Here is the string I'm using to tie with, and then I just hang it from the ceiling. First casualty, broke some lights, busted. With an extra light bulb though. Okay, now I know I just need to be more careful. Clutch, major clutch. I officially need to go home. I got locked out the building. I'm in the elevator right now. Okay, so I just had a whole debacle. It's like 4 something, and the secretary said that after like 3:30 or something, our keys no longer work in the building. But the principal came in, he's like, oh, stay as long as you want, whatever. So like I took his word for it. But when I went outside and tried to come back in, I couldn't get back in. So I'm like running all over the outside, trying to find a custodian to open the door, and I found one, but like it's too hot for this. So now I'm like tapped, ready to go home. But let me show you what I got done in the room today. So in the room today, I got my whiteboard done for the most part. Now I just need to add like cute little decor pieces. Where's my remote? It's exciting. My principal came in, and I was like, wait, this is the coolest part. And I clicked it on, clicked it on. I clicked it on. Ooh, don't start being busted now. Oh, there we go. Okay, the thing's right up there, so I gotta do it closer, but oh, so cool. I can just have it be green, have it be blue, red, change all the colors. Oh, so cool. I love this. Wait, how do I get it to blank? I don't know. Wait, how do I get it to blank? Jump 3, maybe? Here it goes. So cool. All right, so yeah, got that done. Hung up my lab signs and did these for my lab tables. Also did the caddies for my lab tables. A lot of the other things that I need to do require a ladder, and at the time I couldn't find a custodian, but tomorrow morning I'll come in. First things first, I'm grabbing a ladder because I need a ladder to be able to get stuff up on these walls and get stuff off the ceiling. So that will be tomorrow's project. But I am signing out now. Peace. Good morning, sunshines. Welcome to day 2 of classroom decoration day. I actually have a special guest with me today. He's working from home, so he came in to help a little bit. But let me show you guys the current state of things, where I left things yesterday. So I brought my chair in. I need to build my chair. I'm also trying to do my bulletin boards today, and get some of the stuff up on the wall. So I have some stuff for a gallery wall, and I'm trying to decide where I want to put it. either up here or over on that wall. I have not decided yet. I am waiting for our custodians to bring me a ladder. I ran into them this morning, so they're going to bring me a ladder. I did put this table up and together. I need to get into these wires and try to hide these wires better because I don't like them like that. But this is my table. Very cool. Here's my phone with my name on it and my extension, the little things. But yeah, so I have like, you know, have a great day, bye. That's gonna go like up here, have a great day, and then bye's gonna go down the side. Yeah, hopefully I might be able to string my lights as well, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so starting on my bulletin boards, I originally thought I would do these two colors. Like, one would be black, one would be this color, so I have one here and I have one here. Now I'm thinking I want to see maybe what some colors would look like. So these are actually my YouTube backdrops. I brought these in because this is like my color scheme to see maybe what it would look like if I had some color here. I am going to be adding a bulletin board or two over here as well. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to put a fabric on this. So what I'm using is fabric for my bulletin board because I heard that was good. So we'll see. I'll show you guys some different options. Green. This is the first color combo, like this green. So these are like my colors, like greens, earthy tones, kind of oranges. See how it goes with like the wood. This is going to be math. This is going to be my science bulletin board. Okay, it's first option. So I left the orange there because the orange is the only kind of orange that I brought. And then there is this, I did a lighter green here. I don't really like the lighter green, I don't think. Oh, this is so hard. So there is this dark green as well. That dark green is nice. So I'm thinking the best thing for me to do is to lay these things out on the floor and put what I'm putting on my bulletin board on them and see the colors that look the best. I think that's probably my best bet. I actually had to try my bulletin board out on a colored backdrop or fabric to see if I'd actually like it. I feel like this is better than to take this, staple it all up, and then realize I don't like the color. So this is my math bulletin board, kind of roughly out here, and I like the way that the orange looks. I think it's like a pop of color, right? As opposed to this. I can't decide. Let me see what this looks like. I'm going to go with this color backdrop for math. I think it's perfect. I'm going to use this orange one on the bulletin board over there because we are teams. Tiger's Eye is our name, so tiger, perfect color. And I'm going to go with this dark green for science. This is chef's kiss. Beautiful, beautiful color. Love it. Love it so much. So I completely forgot about borders. So I picked colors, now I have to pick borders. So here's what we're working with. I bought a lot of borders because I'm indecisive and I like options. So we have some black and white ones, we have some greenery ones, and then we kind of have, what are these, like burlappy kind of fabrics. And I bought this one, I thought this was cute. So let's start slapping some borders on these and see what's working. So I'm pretty locked in with either this one or this one for my science bulletin board. My lighter bulletin board is math one. I don't know if I like this color white up against this tan. I'm thinking maybe the burlap one or the black white polka dot. I am not 100% sure. This one I might have to see once I get it up on the wall. I can't decide right now for this one. One bulletin board fabric and border is up. This took me forever, but it got done. It's glorious. So me and my helper today, Spencer, we took a food break. Treated him to a little food. He said I had to feed my employees, so had to feed him.
You definitely do.
We got some burgers from this place called Mr. Mac's Canteen, and now we are heading back to the school. So there was a slight learning curve on hanging my lights, but oh my gosh, let me turn the camera around. Spencer, help me do it. It's like the zigzag motion right over the lab tables. It looks so good. Oh, I love it so much, so excited. Okay, we're gonna do it across these ones now. So we're starting on the other side now. Do not break the clips. We're running out of clips. He's being busted.
I am not.
So you take the clip. I'm gonna try to show you guys. All right, we're gonna aim it towards the ceiling. Okay. The clip. Open it. And then, here you see, and then you just clip it. Like so. And then it clips. Oh my goodness. Okay, so is that sparkled? I don't know what that is. Let me show you guys what I got done in the room today. I'm actually leaving to go get the U-Haul to move my furniture. But let me show you what got done. So first, these lights, and we added vines on them, every other one. I think that doesn't look like it's too much. Absolutely love the way these turned out. Also got my bulletin board up, my fabric and my border is up. Basically finished my math one. That is up as well. What else got done? I think just my bulletin boards, and we hung some lights. That's about it for today. That took a long time. And now we are getting ready to, oh my gosh, look at my face, I'm breaking out. Now we are getting ready to go get the desk and all of that. So this is the inside of the U-Haul. My desk is in there. These two shelves are in there. We're getting ready to get this in there. Okay, just to give you guys an update on what's going on. It's now like 5 o'clock. Josh is here putting together my chair. All my furniture's in, so my desk is here. And our custodians helped bring it in. We got it done so quickly. And my bookshelves are here, 2 white ones and these 2 black ones. So right now I am trying to figure out my gallery wall and where I want to put it. Where is it? Oh, so again, down here on the floor, putting my gallery wall together. I'm trying to decide whether I want it on this wall here or to put it on this wall over there. Not sure. So this is the end of decor day 1. Let me show you everything I got done. Shout out to my brothers for helping me. Shout out to Josh for being here helping me. Shout out to the amazing custodians in this building that helped me. It was a team effort today. We're not done, but we made some major headway. So let me show you. Or is this day 2? Is this decor day 2? Is it day 1 or day 2? I'm losing track of time, but let me just show you what I got done. Let's take in all the lights in the room. So shout out to Spencer for helping me do the lights today. I absolutely love the way it turned out. So the lights, and then there is my whiteboard. So obsessed, absolutely love it. Next major thing is my bulletin board. This is my math bulletin board that I did. Josh hung these 2 bulletin boards up for me that I'm going to have to decorate, but they are there. What else got done today? My science one, there's something major that's going right here, so I can't fill in the rest of it until I've put it's like a light bulb that's going here until I do that, but at least I got the fabric up and the border. This is a piece of furniture that came in today. Shout out to all these bins and everybody that bought me a bin off of Amazon. There they are. So this came in, our custodians brought this in, and my desk came in today as well. Again, shout out to the custodians, they brought it in. Here is my gorgeous desk and my chair. And I have another IKEA calyx, that's what they're called. All of this is from Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace, this is actually from Walmart. These 2 white bookshelves, my affirmation station. So you matter, affirmation station, and there's a mirror in here. People can check their outfits, I can check mine. And going down the side are just affirmations for them to read that I picked some that I love, kind of wrote some myself. They are for the kids, they are for adults, they are for anybody that comes into my room. I absolutely love this part of my room, love it, and I wanted it to be a major part. Put a little plant, clip art kind of thing there. I think that's it. Is that it? Oh my gosh. I feel like I've been here all day. And it might not seem like that's all you got done, but all of this took a lot of time. So again, shout out to all the help that I had, and I can't wait to start day 2 or day 3 or whatever the next day we're on. It is a Friday right now. Next week I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to finish up this room after our professional development, and then Thursday it's game time, school starts, so hopefully I can get all the rest of the stuff that I need done. But I think all the major things are done. The furniture's in here, the lights are hung, everything major is done, so now it's just, putting stuff where it needs to go.